Ethan is a busy, ambitious freshman at Sac State, smart and talented with a flair for the arts and a passion for science. But just 3 years ago, this family of 10 almost lost their shining star.
An oncologist came to see me and said, you have cancer, you have chronic myeloid leukemia, and we need to treat you immediately.
It's devastating. Here's this possibility of them not outliving you, and they're so frail, and you just want to take their pain.
Today, Ethan's cancer is managed, and he's getting back to his life and his family.
Everything shifted. I found out that what was really important was what I had right here.
He's fighting, he's getting healthier, stronger. With Keaton Raphael, it gives so much to us. Now it's our turn that we want to pay forward.
Ethan is just one of hundreds of kids in the Sacramento area that need our help fighting childhood cancer. Donate to Keaton Raphael Memorial and help change a life today.